Hi guys, welcome to another video. This one is something completely different. We have an old eMAC Apple computer. Good old CRT. I've never actually seen one of these before. Customer wants me to try and get Linux running on this. He says that it's currently running with the iOS. I don't know what version, but obviously it's really outdated. He wants to see if he can get some kind of Linux distro running, something that's a little more up to date. So this video is probably going to be a bit of a long, involved sort of testing video. So yeah, join me, let's go. Let's switch it on, see what it does. Same chime. Get anything? Oh, looks like it's trying to boot to Linux already. Loading kernel. And black screen. Interesting. If I remember correctly, the customer did say that it would boot and then sit on a black screen. It looks like it's having issues loading the X window display system. Okay, so we're going to try a boot up parameter where it disables the frame buffers, I believe. Command we put in is video equals OF only. Let's see if that does anything. No such file. Let's just try with a capital L. Video equals OF only. What's that gonna do? Any difference? So what I want to try and do is boot into single user mode. Which will keep me on the prompt, or it should. Did that not work? Okay, so after a pretty long involved process, I finally got a Linux distro running on this eMAC. The version that was running, that the customer installed, was Ubuntu 16.04, and that was giving the black screen. It was struggling to load the graphics drivers. So I did a lot of reading on macrumors.com. Came across a post where somebody's done a remix of Ubuntu specifically for the PowerPC architecture. There's two versions. There's a 16.04 and 14.04. Actually, not 14.04, 12.04. It seems that the 16.04 doesn't work on these eMACs, although it does seem to work on the iMac G4. I don't know exactly the difference between them. So what I've ended up having to do is go back down to Ubuntu 12.04, and as you can see, it's running. Everything's working well. The Wi-Fi seems to be working straight out of the box. I didn't have to do anything with the drivers, which is good. Sometimes the Apple hardware for the wireless cards is an issue to get working, but that seemed to work fine. Browsing's working with the Spider web browser, which comes pre-installed. The only thing is I can't update anything, obviously, because this is a pretty old version. None of the updates are running, but I mean, we can go to Google, do general browsing. Seems pretty snappy for an old machine like this. Yeah, looks pretty cool to see it running on these old machines. One thing I found is that on pages where there's a lot of video or very media heavy pages, as you can see, it struggles to load those pages. So although it's working, I don't think it'll be usable as a daily thing, but it's pretty cool to at least see some life out of these old machines. There's also some Office programs. It comes installed with Abbey Word, the word processor. It's pretty cool. Numeric. There's that spreadsheet program. Excel kind of thing. One thing I found pretty cool is it even has GIMP, an image editor, and obviously it's not going to be powerful, but the program runs. Wouldn't imagine you want to be editing images on these old machines. But yeah, it's running. Like I say, I don't think it'll be usable as a daily machine, but something to play around with, I think, will be good. So hopefully the customer will be happy with that. You can use it as a gimmick machine. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of video, please like and subscribe. Feel free to share the video, and we will catch you in the next one. Ciao.